So now that we have installed the GNU-plot, we have to we have downloaded it, we have to install it. So I'm just gonna press on that, yes, and then we move on. So we want English, okay, and then we accept the agreement. Next. So C program files GNU-plot. So maybe this is not the same directory at the 64-bit, but it should be working fine. So let's install this. Okay, and then we install the GNU-plot. So we don't change anything of this. Just press on install. Next. Okay, now last but not least, we have to install, or basically before that least, we have to install this ifran. So we download ifran view. So we download this. So here it is, show in folder, and then we install this. Yes. So this is 64-bit, it's fine. And then we install this. So it's have been done, so we just press done. So don't worry about it, so we can close this stuff. This is not so important. Now we need to install, of course, Adobe Acrobat Reader. So we press install now. This is important for viewing, saving some data, or saving some output. So here it is, we run this. So yes. And then what we need to do is we need to go to TSM, which is the main page. So software, we go to time series modeling, and we go to download TSM. We press on this. We don't run it yet, we just want to make sure that the Acrobat is first installed, and then we do this. So now it's installed, it's downloaded, so we just need to install it. So we're just gonna wait for Adobe Acrobat Reader to be fully installed. So of course this is a very slow computer. If your computer or your machine is faster, then this would be much faster. So it depends on your own machine. Here I'm using a very slow machine, so it does take some time to be installed. So now it's done. We just press finish, and that would be great. And now we need to install TSM. The final step, we need to do it. So he's just asking you to be the default browser, which is completely fine. Close it now. So we just run anyways. So they are saying that this is an unknown publisher, but that's fine. It's only like, you know, they are trying to protect you from anything, but we know who the publisher is. So we're gonna run anyway. And then we say yes. And then next, I accept, next. So this is C program files. So this is 64-bit. And that should be fine. Now in a Mac, if we're gonna use it on 32-bit, so we're gonna install it directly, program files. Yes. And then yes, that's it. So this is gonna be your working directory, so maybe we have to see this. So next, so you can install either 32 or 64. So, you know, whatever really works, but because this is a slow computer, I'm gonna go with 32, and I really advise you to go with 32 as well. So we go to time series modeling 4, and then I'm gonna put 150, the icon and font size. I'm just gonna put it 150, it just looks nicer. So I press this, next, and then we wait for it. Okay, so let's run TSM. So congratulations, this is the readme file. So allow access. And voila, now you have successfully installed TSM on your Windows. I hope this will help many of you who are finding it somehow difficult to go through all the technical steps for installing TSM. But now that obviously there's no data loaded yet, but once you can, you know, once you add some data, that would be running successfully. Okay, I'm gonna stop here, and I'll see you next